Hi, welcome to another video, and I hope you all are having a great time. So, in this video, we'll talk about excessive equalization. And let's face it, in this digital world of mixing, you've got lots of good equalizer plugins, and it's hard not to tweak, EQ on everything. So, and obviously, it is fun. And while you're having, fun time playing with sound, equalizing it, and we make unnecessary extra adjustments, right? And it results in thin sounding mix, right? Or there are some harsh resonances in the mix. So excessive equalization is one of the number one move, that ruins your mix. And when you apply excessive equalization, number one, you change the tonal quality of the instrument, right? Like an artist has put emphasis on some guitar tone by using different pedals, right? And when you do excessive equalization, you mess up with the tone of the instrument. And on the other hand, excessive equalization creates nasty resonances in your mix, and it sounds harsh, right? So, what is the solution, to get rid of excessive equalization? So, firstly, you've got to train yourself, right? And you have to stop making unnecessary tweaks to your mix or to the instruments and begin the equalization on your mix by applying low and high pass filters to everything, right? This approach can hugely add clarity to the mix without screwing up the beautiful tones of the instrument. And start by rolling off the unnecessary low frequencies on every track. Like, for example, on your electric guitar, if you remove everything below 125 hertz or 120 hertz, right, you can hear how this adds clarity to your bass guitar. Move on to apply roll offs to the high frequency, and most importantly, listen carefully to the moves that you are making, and apply roll offs both in isolation and with the entire mix running, and listen carefully, right, how it affects the mix. And after completing your high pass and low pass roll offs, listen for the problem areas in each track, and you know primarily aim for EQ reduction rather than boost. And as you all know, muddy frequencies occur around 200 to 300 hertz. Boxy frequency happens around 400 to 500 hertz, and harshness lives in 2.5 hertz to 3.5 hertz. And focusing on cleaning up these three areas is your big step towards, mix clarity. And finally, applying journal boosts, you know, where the clarity is needed, or you want to highlight an element, you can boost it, right? So the main thing is, you have to listen carefully, use your ears, not your eyes, and make gentle moves, right? Like, don't go for extreme boosts or cuts. So in this digital era of sound engineering, right, you have too much of options available to you on one click, and you have to make wise decisions, right? Use your ears, not your eyes, and listen carefully in context of your entire mix, and I'm pretty sure you'll find good results. Take small moves at a time, don't make crazy moves. So high pass your instruments, low pass your instruments, right? And look out for the muddy frequencies, boxy frequencies, and harshness, and any unwanted resonances of your mic or anything like that, and use your equalizer wisely. This will add clarity to your mix, and I hope this information will help you out while mixing. And do let me know in comments if you have any suggestions. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Till then, cheers and take care.